Friends, today we are going to see the unknown words of your lesson number 4, the world outside letter. So first we will see the words and we will drill out. Friends, friends. Friends, friends. Friends, friends. Nod, nod. Nod, nod. Nod, nod. Mountains, mountains. Mountains, mountains. Mountains, mountains. Streams, streams. Streams. Villages, villages. Villages, villages. Villages, villages. Thirsty, thirsty. Thirsty, thirsty. Thirsty, thirsty. Drink, drink. Drink, drink. Drink, drink. Seashore, seashore. Seashore, seashore. Seashore. Band, band. Band. Yuk, yuck. Yuk, yuck. Yuck. Salty, salty. Salty, salty. Salty. Together, together. 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 Nicer, nicer. 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 Around, around. 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 Farm, farm. Farm. Envelope, envelope. 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 Address, address. 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 Stamp, stamp. 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 Postbox, postbox. Postbox, postbox. Postbox. Postman, postman. Postman. Now we will see the pronunciation of the words. Postman, postbox, stamp, address, envelope, salty, together, nicer, around, farm, thirsty, drink, seashore, band, yuck, friends, nod, mountains, streams, villages. Now we will see the meanings of unknown words. So friends, a person that you like and know well. The person that you know well and you like to talk, you like to share your things, they are called your friends. Nods. Lower and raise the head briefly to show agreement as the greeting of signal. So nodding of head is called like this. This is called nod. Okay. Mountains, a very steep hill. These are called mountains. Streams, a small narrow river. A small narrow river is called stream. Villages, a small settlement in the country area. In a country area, a small settlement where people lives in the small hut and houses. It is called a village. Thirsty, to have a strong desire for water. To have a strong desire for water. Drink, to drink liquid into your body through your mouth. This. Now she showed the part of the land that is next to sea. A part of a land that is next to sea. Bend, to be or become curved. To be or become curved. Like when you touch your toe, you bend down, no? You curve yourself, that is called bend. Yuck, used for saying that you think something very unpleasant. When you eat something which is very unpleasant and you say yuck, very bad. See, this is how you react. That is called yuck. Salty, having the taste of or containing salt. Together, near each other. Nicer and enjoyable. Around, various places around. Farm, a land used for growing crops. Envelope, the paper cover for the letter. Address, place where somebody lives. Stamp, a small piece of paper that you stick on to a letter. This is called stamp. Right? Post box, a box in a public place where you put your letter. Where we want to send the letter, we put a letter in a red color box, that is called post box. Postman, a person whose job is to collect letters and take them to the people's house. They are called postmen. Thank you.